automatically in the building and you get no money.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Either way, he's automatically in the building. As soon as you accept it, he's in the building.
Mm.
Okay, cool. I can buy the supplies. Okay, now I can't get sued. Oh, I forgot. I can't even use motion. Okay.
This game is like so.
Does honking the horn do anything?
No.
It doesn't like make noise for the animatronics?
No.
Okay.
This game is so low stress. I feel like I'm chilling.
3 or 6?
3.
6 is not. 6 is very stressful.
I was gonna say 6 is probably the most stressful FNAF game I've ever played.
Because a lot of it, you're just sitting in silence, waiting.
It's so quiet. It's so quiet, and you're doing like nothing. But there's so much stuff you have to like look out for still.
3, I am chilling.
3 is I think 3 is the easiest FNAF game.
No. 1 is the easiest FNAF game.
On mobile, 3 is the easiest FNAF game because you just stall him in the top right camera with the audio lure, and you seal the right vent and stall him in the top right, and he cannot move.
That is not meta, but
that's what I would always do as a kid, and I always made it past. I'd be like, I go up to my friends and be like, hey, you want to see me beat the whole game? And I just sit and watch me beat the whole game in one sitting. Because it was maybe easy.
Watch you beat the whole game?
Not my parent, but my friends.
Oh, okay.
No, my parents didn't give a shit.
Impatient parents.
I bring my Samsung tablet to school.
guys, will I get lucky and not die?
Yeah, see, my
He's
game's
in the
crap.
vent, but he's in
It just
5.
closed. So,
Why does
Should've
FNAF
made it
6
too.
crash your game?
Because my GPU.
That's fucked. What GPU do you have?
Laptop.
Laptop.
Oh, a bad answer. That's a bad answer.
Laptop that's like
I should
3
be
years old
fine.
now, and it's very broken.
Oh my god, he went in twice. He just really likes that vent, apparently. What? He just went in 3 times into the same vent. Bro likes me.
What is he doing?
I don't know. He's having fun. Look at him. Wait, where is he?
Right.
Wait, what vent did he go in? Wait, what? Wait, I'm actually kind of confused. He's back in 2. Okay, there you go. Bro is just having a blast.
Hello?
I don't think he listened. He's gonna run
I don't
fast.
think-
Watch. Okay, wait, never mind. I think we're good. Wait, where did he go?
Silent Suicide Mouse, number 7.
Wait.
What?
Number 7?
7.
7.
This look.
Is this a FNAF game?
Yo, what
Wait,
the hell
wait,
is
wait,
this?
wait.
This looks like a bad creepypasta. This looks like a horrible.
What is this audio? Oh my god.
Dude, Five Nights at Treasure Island is such a dog shit game. So many of these FNAF fan games are so bad.
Please.
But they were
Station
peak
Lavender.
back in the
Oh
day.
shit. Hold on.
What were we in?
He's back in 5. Back in 2.
Yeah, I'm watching P2 Weight of the World, P ranked Brutal.
Yep.
This shit looks.
That's currently the
Annoying.
How many
hardest
audio
thing you
loops do I
can
have?
do.
I think I
It's
have
currently
2.
the hardest thing you can do in Ultra Kill.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I got 2. He's in 5.
I've tried to play a bit of Brutal, and I did not get past Act 1, I think.
I'm gonna def him. I think he went in the 2 vent. He's in 5. He's in 2. He's in 5.
Be like further away and
Let's
your voice like
go.
trails off.
Rebeat.
It just doesn't work. It's
Yeah,
just
it's not
like
too
you can be
bad.
standing next to someone and they can't hear you at all.
There's also like a bug I heard that if someone dies and you are still alive and you mute them then unmute them, you can just hear them again. Even though you're dead.
That's tech.
What are you gonna do?
Most
now?
of this level isn't even like the